This insider says that 2026 is the year of cabbage.
Move over, Kale. There's a new leafy icon in town.
Is this finally the year of the cabbage? I hope so.
Homegrown cabbage.
2026 is the year of the crunchy, affordable, and thriving cabbage.
Yeah, cabbage is about 90% moisture, and it's full of amazing nutrients. You got calcium, who doesn't need more antioxidants. You have fiber, you have protein, you have vitamin K, you have vitamin B6, folate, great for metabolism and controlling anxiety.
Exactly.
All these great things are going to come out with that water, and essentially making one of the best natural energy drinks known to man.
Yeah. Wow. So when I started this show with about the lowly cabbage, it's got a lot going
Put some
on.
respect on that cabbage.
It's a miracle food, and it's low calorie, I believe.
Yes, it is.
Yes, and we also have to mention that once it becomes sauerkraut, what's the craze now? What do we all want to have? Probiotics. So it's a natural probiotic as well, and it'll keep the world and it'll keep the Chesapeake healthy for years to come.
Exactly.